Imagine if all the money spent bombarding you with ads ended up in your wallet instead. Sounds crazy, right? Today we're diving into a crypto project aiming to flip the 1 trillion ad industry upside down. I'm Shay and welcome to Deciphering Crypto. We make crypto crystal clear. Today we're reviewing EarnOS. This protocol won the gaming and consumer section at Paris Blockchain Week. They're a Web3 platform that pays you for engaging with brands online. Let's break it down. What is EarnOS? EarnOS is like the love child of TikTok ads, swag bucks, and a crypto wallet. Instead of brands paying Google or Facebook to show you ads, they pay you directly for real actions, like trying an app, or answering a survey, or sharing a post. You complete a task, you earn crypto. Specifically, currently it's USDC stablecoins. You can spend it instantly using an EarnOS debit card. No prior crypto knowledge needed. It's all handled behind the scenes. Over 700,000 users have tested the EarnOS beta. Brands like Uber, North Face, and Lacoste have run campaigns. All right, let's check out the top 3 features that matter. Number 1, outcome-based rewards. Brands only pay when users complete real actions, not for random ad views. You're actively earning. Number 2, privacy-preserving tech. EarnOS uses zero-knowledge proofs. Brands can target users without stealing personal data. It's like a secret handshake that verifies you fit a campaign without revealing your identity. Number 3, Web2-like experience. EarnOS hides all the complicated crypto stuff. You sign up, you get a wallet automatically, earn USDC, and spend it like cash with a debit card. Feels like Venmo or PayPal. I really think that this type of abstraction is going to make the difference in future Web3 applications. All right, let's take a look at roadmap highlights. EarnOS is already live and open to the public. Anyone can now sign up, complete missions, and start earning rewards. In the future, you'll be able to save accounts, earn interest on your rewards by moving USDC into savings vaults, planned for late 2025. Also, cashback rewards. Earn crypto cashback every time you spend with the EarnOS debit card. And self-serve brand portal. Allow brands of all sizes to launch campaigns quickly. And then there will be global expansion, growing into new countries and partnering with more major brands. And some of the details like cashback rates and exact launch dates are still pending. How does EarnOS make money? EarnOS charges brands a 33% fee on campaign payouts. If a brand budgets $1,000, about $670 goes to users and $330 goes to EarnOS. They also earn fees through debit card transactions and future financial services. All right, security and trust. Your funds stay in a non-custodial wallet. You control your crypto. EarnOS uses encrypted privacy tech. They've also partnered with MasterCard. They're backed by Animoca Brands and Miston Labs. The founding team includes Phil George, who's the CEO, Wayne Hughes, Growth, Tom Riordan, Product, Reese Johnson, Engineering. These are experienced leaders with backgrounds at Aave, Uber, BCG, Lens Protocol, and Typeform. Okay, let's talk about a potential token. Today, rewards are in stablecoins, but EarnOS is expected to launch its own token soon. It could offer governance, staking rewards, fee discounts, and more. All right, the verdict. EarnOS is one of the most promising Web3 bridges to mainstream users. You don't need to understand crypto to use it, and you actually get paid instead of giving away your attention for free. Big brands are already testing it. Privacy is prioritized, and it just works like a normal app. Of course, they must keep brands engaged and rewards attractive, but the early signs are very strong. If you want to turn your attention into earnings, keep an eye on EarnOS. Check out their official site for updates, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know. Would you get paid to engage with brands, or will traditional ads still rule? Until next time, I'm Shay. This is Deciphering Crypto, where we turn crypto confusion into clarity. Thanks for watching. Take care.